Hi, Sobolo lovers. Welcome back to the Taste and Bloom Kitchen. Today, we are making a twist on the classic African drink. Yes, we are making Sobolo smoothie. It's going to be a refreshing twist, so get ready to sip, savor, and enjoy the taste of Africa in every cup. Let's get started. Sobolo is one of the most popular Ghanaian staple, traditional, if I may say, drinks you can find in the country. To make the Sobolo tea or liquid or whatever you want to call it, okay, we are going to be needing some hibiscus flowers, and that's what I have in my saucepan. I'm adding hot water, so the boiling process is hastened, okay, and then I'm going to leave this on fire to boil. Then I'll leave this to boil for about 15 minutes, and then I'll take it off the fire, strain it, and we'll use the liquid or the tea for the next process. So here in my blender, I'm going to add in some mangoes, and I'll also go in with some bananas, and then I'll add some strawberry yogurt. First of all, you can use any fruits of your choice, okay? But I'd highly recommend you add bananas for that creaminess, okay? And then I'm going in with some sobolo. So note that it does not have any sugar. You can add honey or sugar if you like, but I don't want that, okay? So then I'm going to blend this until it's very smooth. Oh, and also make sure the sobolo has cooled down a bit before adding it into your blender. You don't want this to be hot or else you not enjoy it, okay? So of course, I'm serving this with some ice. Growing up, we used to enjoy the Sobolo ice cream when it was hot. And today, this twist on the classic drink brought me back so many nostalgic memories. And I'm glad I tried it. So I hope you're inspired to try it as well. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave your comments down below on your way out and let me know what you think about this recipe. Also give me a thumbs up on the video, share on your way out, and God willing, let's see each other in March. As always, keep blooming.